Hello everyone, this is Rachel from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our uploads. If you like our videos, give it a thumbs up because it lets us know the content you are mostly interested in seeing. Today, I'll be making the best vegetable fried rice you've had. It's delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. So let's jump right into it. First, put the chicken broth on fire. Then add your parboiled rice and allow to cook until well done. Remember that while cooking the rice, it should be soft but not too soft, and don't allow it to be mushy. That's bad for the frying. Now I'll be setting aside these ingredients for frying: mixed vegetables, curry, fried rice spice, mixed spice, chicken spice, Maggi cube, salt, liver, and shrimps. Let's be friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links to these platforms are in our description box below. Get a frying pan, add some oil to it, then the shrimps. Allow it to fry for 3 minutes. I prep my shrimps by removing the head, tail, and excess scales. Add the liver as well and fry for 2 minutes. Here I'm using cow liver. I steamed and chopped it into small cubes. Check on the rice to make sure it's properly cooked. Remember, it shouldn't be mushy. Add the mixed veggies to the already fried shrimps and liver. Stir fry until the veggies are slightly cooked. When it's slightly cooked, add your chicken spice, mixed spice, curry, your fried rice spice, salt to taste, and your Maggi cube. Mix all this together and continue stir frying for 2 minutes. The mixed veggies I used here is a store-bought pack called Mexican Mix. In it, we have onions, sweet corn, carrots, red bell pepper, celery, and green peas. Now add the already cooked rice to the stir-fried veggies and continue stir-frying until everything is properly cooked and mixed together. Modern times has made it easier for one to prepare fried rice in less than 10 minutes. You know, I can still recall back in the days when you have to chop all your veggies manually and you will become stressed out even before cooking the fried rice. Coming from an African home is not easy, especially being a female. You have to take up a whole day only to chop veggies, and you are finished if you are the only one at home. Thank God for development and modern times. It doesn't mean you must use these particular veggies. Just use any vegetable mixture you like best for this recipe. So there you have it, your delicious, nutritious, easy to make fried rice with veggies and shrimps. This you can make in less than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, share and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.